applies to you. Leave a comment below and let me know who you're going to open your heart to again. And I promise it'll be a gift to you and that person. I wish everybody a wonderful day, and thank you for sharing.